The hanging lights, boo.
No.
Dang, we need to take this whole tree home and start to use. What was that? Did you guys hear that?
Okay. Fuck is that?
Can you guys hear that?
Dude, I think that's one of those cats.
A bobcat?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, they don't hurt nobody.
Oh my god, I don't want this.
Should I do some bobcat calls?
No, don't call it over here.
Prey calls? Listen. Can you guys hear that?
Fuck.
Thank you for the hanging lights, Jaybird. Which way do you want to go, baby?
I'm confused.
No, do you want to go away from this on or toward it?
I don't want to go to the bobcat.